There was once a shepherd boy whose fame spread far and wide because of the wise answers he gave to every question. News of his intellect reached the king of that land, yet the skeptical monarch had his doubts and summoned the boy to the royal court. "If you can provide me with answers to 3 inquiries, I will consider you my own child, and you shall reside with me in my palace," declared the king. The shepherd lad, undaunted, asked, "What are these questions?" The king pondered before speaking. "First, tell me how many drops of water exist in the ocean." The boy calmly replied, "Majestic king, if you can ensure that all rivers on earth are blocked so that not a single drop enters the sea before I complete my count, I will then reveal to you the number of drops in the ocean." Impressed by the boy's clever response, the king moved on. "Next, how many stars are there in the sky?" With a request for a sheet of white paper, the boy took a pen and adorned it with a plethora of tiny dots, too minute to distinguish individually and overwhelming in quantity. He then presented this paper and remarked, "There are as many stars in the heavens as there are dots on this paper. Count them if you can." Dismayed by the task's impossibility, the king posed his final, yet most curious question: how many seconds of time exist in eternity? With a serene expression, the shepherd boy recounted, "In Lower Pomerania lies the Diamond Mountain, towering 2.5 miles in height, width, and depth. Once every 100 years, a tiny bird arrives to sharpen its beak upon the mountain's vast surface. When the entire mountain has been worn away by this bird's persistent visitations, only then will the first second of eternity have passed." Struck by the boy's profound wisdom, the king concluded, "You have answered my riddles like a true sage. From this day forth, you shall dwell with me in my palace, and I shall consider you as my own son." In awe and admiration, the court welcomed the shepherd boy into the royal family, recognizing the unique blend of wit and wisdom he possessed.